Hi guys, this is Ham here, and today I am bleaching some hair. Some of y'all might know I'm obsessed with bleaching my hair, but I'm too scared to do it. I'm too chicken shit, and I'm still not doing it today. Today I am bleaching my sister's hair, who has selflessly agreed to be my guinea pig. So we will be lightening her hair. I'm going to try some balayage with this Nu Lite Blonde. It has 50 mils of bleach powder and 100 mils of peroxide, 30 volume. So it should be a ratio of 1 to 2. Apparently that's what they say is the best. And then we're going to tone her hair with this Clairol Colour Crave semi-permanent color. And it is in the color teal, and it's supposed to hopefully come out like that, but it'll probably come out like that. So we're hoping for the best. And I just want to leave a disclaimer in that I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, so my sister's a little scared. Are you scared?
Not really.
Not really.
I'm
Okay.
excited.
Excited.
Nervous but excited.
She's nervous but excited, so
I trust you.
let's do this. Okay, I've already sectioned her hair, and guys, I spent so much time looking at videos and shizzle. Alright, here's my model. Hi! So, here I have the top section, sides, and then this triangle here. I don't know why, okay, I just know that this is what they do. So here's my bowl, my mixing bowl, and my bleach and peroxide, and I'm going to be using this brush. It came with this color, not going to use that, and this semi-permanent dye came with 2 sets of gloves, so it was worth it already. Okay, and I got some foils here. I'm gonna mix it. I don't know if I should mix it all at once. I decided to do half and half. So I'm going to zeroize. Let's do 25 grams here. Oh my word, am I scared to throw this shit in? One. This doesn't seem right. Okay, that's 24. 1 more gram to go. 25. All right, okay. 25 grams and half of this, so 50. Let's zero again. Am I supposed to shake this? Am I supposed to shake this? Let's mix it. This always looks so satisfying in the videos. Yeah, I'm glad I only did half. I wouldn't have had space in my bowl. Whew, wow, that smells strong. I know Brad Mondo says it's not going to do shit, but I have put coconut oil on my sister's hair. It's sat in there for a few hours, and supposedly, apparently, research says that this is going to protect the hair strands while bleaching. Apparently there were some studies that say that. I don't know how true it is, but it doesn't hurt to try, does it? I mean, if it does nothing, then all I wasted was my time. So I've taken a section here. I'm going to weave. Apparently I should weave like really small sections. Okay. Okay. Give me a foil there, a PC foil. Yeah, what happened to this foil?
You prefer other taste?
Whew, there's no going back now, girl. Well, we could go back. We could rinse it.
What a waste.
Okay, I'm supposed to saturate it as much as it can go. Okay, your hair is super, super dark up here. So I should just do more there. Am I doing the right shit? Who knows? Okay. Let's see. Oh, man, I don't think I have enough here. Okay. Now let's do a side here on the side. And I should tease a bit up here. Teasy lights, whatever those are. Give me the brush. Give me this board. Okay, let's try that better. This here on the ends are a bit dark, lighter already. So I'm gonna really saturate here on top. Hopefully I'm doing the right shit. Oh God, I'm sure I'm being judged now. Oh my gosh. I'm being judged like crazy. Ugh. This is so difficult, man. I have so much respect for hairdressers right now. Give me the... Y'all are God's gift. For real though. Like, I don't even know if I'm doing this correctly. I don't know. I just know that it shouldn't be too tight because apparently the thing expands, the bleach expands. At the end of this, I better be a goddamn professional, okay? I want my degree. Brad Mondo always says, don't bleach the roots first. You leave the roots for later on because process is faster. So I decided to just be more cautious and just, you know, do a balayage instead so that I don't have to touch the roots and no one can say shit to me about hot roots. Okay, we're becoming professional here. I hope I'm saturating enough here. Oh, yeah. Saturate, we want it to lift. God, what if his hair doesn't lift? Oh my fucking word, it'll be a waste of time. Whew. Guys, did I mention how I have so much respect for hairdressers, man? And I can totally understand why they would charge a lot of money for some shit like this, guys, because damn son, it's a lot of hard ass work. And I'm sure I'm not even doing it properly. So yeah, much respect to all the hairdressers out there. I doubt any of them are watching this video because who the hell am I? Okay, I'm going to keep doing this and then we'll move on. I'll come back later. Okay, we're done. And this is what she looked like, y'all. A swamp thing. Woohoo! Yeah, it's pretty light at the back here. I'm so scared it's going to fall out. I must start taking out the frills at the back. Girl, this is what? It's a what? Some parts are yellow. You're gonna have to deep treatment gevaarlijk hier. But with proper care, it shall get back to its healthy state. I am dyeing the hair blue can see what it came out like. It's tricky. And this is the dye. So pigmented, very pretty blue. I don't know if I'll have enough because this is a big wash top here. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down, because all thumbs matter.